So hi everyone, let's get started with our development setup. So for that I have already created a directory called Keycloak tutorial. So I'm going to create two files. First one is the Docker file and second one is our Docker compose file. So let's just populate our Docker file. I'm just gonna use the image and my image is the latest image of the latest version that is. And then I'm gonna specify the entry point, which is basically opt slash keep slash keycloak slash bin slash kc dot sh. So this is the starting point and development command is start hyphen dev. Now let's add our Dow compose file with the versioning of 3.8. And I'm going to start by adding service. Let's name service as Keycloak, then specify the build configuration with a Docker file. So I'm going to specify the context because my Docker file is in the same directory, and then I'm going to specify the Docker file. And some basic environment variables. So this variable basically is our admin username and password. So that will be Keycloak admin. Um, First, Keycloak admin password. So let it be uh, admin admin. And now let's specify the port. So this one is our external port and this is our internal port. I'm using my internal port as same because I have 8083. If you don't, you can also change this to whichever you want to. Okay. I'm also gonna define the memory limit to 512 and 512 and yeah, now we are ready with our doc file. So let's just see if we missed something. No, we are good. So now this run Docker build and our keycloak container is created. I'm just doing the basic first time configuration. And one more key point, like right now, whatever action I perform on this particular container won't persist because right now we don't have any type of database connected to this keycloak. Localhost 8080. Here is our keycloak. For login using cafe, I'll add an admin and then sign in. So yes, here is the basic installation of Keycloak, and this particular view is called admin console, and you also get account management console. So these are the two basic consoles that you get, and the account management console is also like this can also be provided to the users so that they can check like to which applications they have access or logged into now. So yeah, like you can see the version 23.0.6. Memory usage, profile, what does it support, what does it not support, and this is our provider info.